Today when we take our notes, we're going to turn our notebook sideways like this, because you're going to be drawing an electromagnetic spectrum. Okay, so let's still go ahead and do a date on our notes. It can be sideways, but let's put our date here as 4/29. Some of you it's going to be 4/30. Today we're going to be doing notes on the electromagnetic spectrum, so let's call it EMS, electromagnetic spectrum. So the EMS is a range of light waves and they are in order of frequency. We can also say or wavelength. Okay, so let's start with drawing our electromagnetic spectrum. So our electromagnetic spectrum is made up of radio waves, microwaves, infrared, visible, and I'm going to write the visible here because the visible is the smallest section. Then we have ultraviolet, so ultraviolet, let's see, well, we'll get into that. Ultraviolet, X-ray, and gamma. And so since this spectrum, this range is in order of frequency or wavelength, the radio waves are the widest, the longest waves, and then the wavelength decreases until the wavelength is very small. So here, not an exact representation, here I have a low frequency, and here, and I also, that low frequency means low energy, and I have a long wavelength. Gamma, I have high frequency. The wavelengths occur more. High frequency, I'm going to have to abbreviate. I have high energy. And I have a short wavelength. All of these are light waves. They're all transverse waves, and all of them travel at the same speed. So all light waves travel at the same speed. And the speed in a vacuum, the speed of light in a vacuum is 3 times 10 to the 8th meters per second.